This is our makeshift table.
Mm-hmm.
We have no sofa no more.
Nope. Sitting on a piano bench while you're on the chair. That's all we got. This is it.
In between all these boxes.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you. I just finished the bathroom closet, and I was like, oh my god.
It's empty?
Yeah. Did you
So
see
we
that?
just need a box for, yeah, you're a
Little
little red.
red.
We just need a box for your shoes or what?
It's right there.
Oh,
I'm about to do it right now.
okay. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
That's really it.
that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
I don't know why I always sit on the floor when I have these like moments. You notice that? I don't know why. I think it's like a
I've noticed.
childhood thing because I've been doing this since I was little. And I was like, just sit on the bed, and I'm like, I don't know. I think better on the floor. I don't know. But yeah, guys. So I was having a moment earlier, and I was just like, wow, we're really leaving.
Yeah, I know.
We're moving from our house.
It's happening. Yeah. It's surreal.
And it's not like we're moving like last time that we had to put our house on the market and
Right.
we thought it was going to sell fast.
Right.
This is like, we've put our house on the market. It sold in one day. We have an
Yeah.
apartment.
Yeah.
Our house is being built. Probably next week. It's going to start being built.
Everything's going.
Everything's going. It's like approval already. Like it's
No
just,
question marks.
no question marks. And it's just like crazy because I'm like, I don't know. I'm kind of going to miss our house. Like,
Yeah.
looking around, like, man, we had some good memories here. And we were here 5 years. Excuse how tired we look. And I'm like red.
Yeah, it's like 1 o'clock right now. We've been constantly packing up stuff. Not only
Yeah.
today, but for the last 2 weeks.
Jinx.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Jinx. To pack up our entire house.
Yeah.
And I guess we're 1 box away at this point.
Yeah, 1 box away. And
We're 1 box and some taquitos from Whataburger away.
oh, you want to go to, yeah, he wants to go to
Absolutely.
Whataburger.
Yeah, that's mandatory right now.
Yeah, I know. Thank God for our parents because
Yeah,
they
for
came
sure.
through. Mom and Dad were here.
Yeah, they helped us pack up.
Yeah.
They jump started us
Oh, they
while we're
jump-
still working.
Yeah, because
kinda
it's so hard to pack when you're working from home.
Yeah.
Like, because you know there's stuff to do around the house, and you know, like, okay, the household, it's happening. Like, inspections came, appraisals came, everything's already happening, and we know we got to pack because we're going to move.
Yeah.
But when you're working, it's just like, oh my gosh. But thank God the family was here to help us.
Absolutely.
And now it's like 1 in the morning, like Daryl said, and the movers are coming at 8.
Yeah.
So it might be one of those days where it's like, let's get like a venti Starbucks, please. Let's just keep it moving because we have to be in San Antonio by 1 because our internet guy gets there at 1. And when you work from home, the internet is life,
Yeah.
you know, so we have to make sure we like speed. We're literally like, I've been showing you guys, this has been a pretty organized move.
It's our most organized move yet.
For sure.
Absolutely.
For sure. We have everything downstairs.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Everything is also labeled. I would say like 99% of things are labeled as to like which room in the apartment they go to.
Yeah.
If they don't go to a room, they go to storage, which is our garage.
Yeah.
So all of it's
Yeah. And we're
very
keeping those
organized.
boxes too because we move into our house in 7 months.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep those boxes this time around because last time Daryl said, let's keep the boxes. And I was like, in 2019. Because we didn't pack everything in 2019 when we were going to sell this house,
Yeah.
but we packed a good amount.
Mhm.
Which is funny because I still had some stuff in my office that were still in those boxes.
Yeah.
And you would get mad at me all the time saying like, can you unpack that?
Yeah.
I never did. And it ended up being better. But yeah, so we're so excited.
Yeah.
We're really excited to start vlogging again and like getting back on our YouTube grind. And man, the whole home build is gonna be documented here, so that's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And then oh my gosh, we already have like at least 10 DIYs that we're planning on doing.
Yeah.
If not
a
more.
lot of good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm super excited.
Me too. But yeah,
it's kind of like day one in a sense. Even though we've already lived in San Antonio together, that's where we met. And we would visit pretty frequently.
Yeah. Anytime any chance we got, we would go to San Antonio.
Right, but it's been like purely weekends just for a very long time. But now it's like we were saying before, like now Sunday at 11, we're usually checking out of our hotel. And now it's like, wait, we're gonna stay because we live here now.
Yeah, like
we're just really excited for like so many things to come. Like be it like just everyday life, personally trying out restaurants and just like going to new parks to like business stuff, work stuff. Like there's just so much that we would like to do. So whatever, really, whatever the Lord wills,
Amen.
But yeah, we're just really excited for the journey, and we've always wanted to move to San Antonio, but like things never really worked out all the way, kind of like what we were saying before. But it seems like God just working, and everything has been so smooth. Yeah, and we'll probably get more into that like when we're in our apartment, because I know this is something we've been wanting to talk about God's will for you, and we kind of just want to elaborate more on that story of like how this happened, because it happened out of nowhere, mind-blowing. So it was crazy. Yeah. So we'll definitely do that in like our apartment. I'm super excited for that story, because it's just amazing when you see God work in your life. Yeah. Agreed. Yeah. So we just want to come in here and say hi. I just felt like talking to you guys, because I know it's been a minute since I've been. That's not me farting, guys. It's my shoe. It's making a weird noise. It's been a minute since I've been on here, and since we've been on here. So, but yeah. We'll see you guys in San Antonio, Texas. See ya. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so it's moving day. There's Daryl. I don't know what he's doing. And there is our truck that's being loaded up right now. It's pretty insane. Like, it's different having movers, because we're just like walking around like, what do we do? We're so used to doing everything on our own. Yeah. Or with like mom and dad helping a little bit. Right. But for the most part, every time we've moved. These guys are so good too. Yeah. They don't do anything. Like, we tried our best to like organize it for them. Like they're kind of like the boxes are in a particular space. Try to make it easy. Try to have a little walkway. But you gotta do nothing now. And do you hear that sound? Every Saturday. And Sunday. Yeah. We're not gonna miss that. This was a really good view to wake up to. I loved it. This is what really sold me on this house. Yeah, because I remember walking in here and there being no blinds. Yeah. So we're like, whoa, look at that. Yeah. And there was even more forest before. They cleared that space. Yeah. Do you remember we sat right here? I sure do. When we first bought this house? Oh, our clothes. Oh, clothes. And his TV and his... all our backpacks. And the garbage can. Garbage can? In our the bathroom. But it's little baby stuff. I'm spraying this like crazy. This smells so good. Still have our clothes, but man, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're ready to go?
Yep.
All right, Alice. Thank you so much for the 5 years. Appreciate you. God bless. May you be great to the next people. I'm out. Keep it real.
Your hometown. That's your high school's right there.
See ya, Hendrickson. Bye-bye. I've always wanted to move out of this area since I went to that school when I was 18. Actually, I wanted to move before that. And I did, but then we ended up coming back and spent the last 10 years here. So who knows what God has in store and how long we'll get to be in San Antonio. But I'm hoping it's a lifetime thing.
Yeah, because you left Pville
Right.
to go to San Antonio.
Right.
And that's where we met.
True.
And then we came back to Austin for 10 years.
Right.
And now we're going back.
Yes, we are.
I always liked Pflugerville. I feel like Pflugerville is really beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
We did try to move here though. We were literally down that road right there.
Yeah, we tried.
Looking at houses.
We tried all over the place.
All over Austin.
We tried to move like every which way.
Yeah.
We really try to like make this work.
But it never felt right in our hearts.
Never.
Represent.
See the logo?
Your Whataburger, sponsor us.
Product placement.
Right?
I was gonna say it never felt right when we would try to move to Kyle or move to Round Rock, Pflugerville, Maynard, Hutto,
Leander, Cedar Park.
Cedar Park, literally everything but Austin. Didn't try that one. Actually, that's not right. We did.
We did. Easton
did.
Park. We almost built a house in
Not
Easton.
even Easton Park. That one too, but over here as you're going towards Maynard,
Yes,
put
that
500
Tech
bucks in.
Ridge.
Tech Ridge.
Tech Ridge.
we tried it all, and it never felt right at all. Not that it felt terrible, it just didn't feel like right. You weren't like really.
You weren't at peace with it. That's
right.
that's
There's
what's
always
important.
Something about it, and like
The peace of feeling of like when you meet your spouse, that
Right.
peace of like, wow, the way you feel with them.
yeah,
The peace with where you live.
yeah,
The most at peace was with this house in Georgetown.
right.
And the most at peace is this house that we bought in San Antonio, even more so than our last house in San Antonio that fell through.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah,
So.
this one just happened, and it's God thing. Absolutely.